things may come out awkwardly from the box. Oh, that's important if you want to reset your binding stuff. It's a bind plug. Hopefully Tim Cook's chef work is good today, so it autofocuses. I don't know. I'll have to check the video later. Hopefully this won't be a big blur. There's some kind of thing for the battery, I guess. And a bunch of these sort of doohickey knobs looking things. So there's 3 of these. And what? I'm not exactly sure how these go, but we'll basically guess. Hopefully we'll get it right. So let's move the batteries out of the way because batteries are cool, but also you don't want to...
Likey